at Taipei Exchange, and we have Ricky here. Ricky, you want to show us what you brought here?
Yeah, so I am from the DIGISINE ENERGYTECH, as you can hear, and we have our brand AUTOMAXX. So for this brand, what our main aim is to provide a green energy solution for the global market. And whenever you talk about the green energy, it's very important you generate the energy in a particular way.
Yes.
So that is much more efficiency. So coming to that, you can see here is our hybrid module. Why we develop our hybrid module is because sometimes you have a sufficient amount of wind energy, but you don't have the solar. And sometimes you have good for solar, but not for the wind. And each come with some limitations. So we overcome that and we use the hybrid. So it is a complete set. You have a wind here, you have a solar here, you have a power station that has the in-bleed MPPT charge controller, that is the latest charge technology, and you have the hybrid inverter. And below that you have a power bank. So I would like to show you here. We have a demo here, and you can see here is one of the demo.
Oh, this is the process. So this is how they collect the wind.
Yeah, this is how they collected wind, and using both of the system,
yes,
you can store the power into the hybrid power station, and then you can operate any devices. This is for the residential purpose, so the power is only 1.5 kilowatt. Okay. But you can go for the larger one. We have also like 5 kilowatt. And you can also integrate into multiple to reach up to 16 kilowatt of power requirement. And this is very important for the residential application as well as the terrain where emergency is very critical. Yes. For example, in the hospitals, right now you can use this equipment. As you can see, it is getting directly powered by our hybrid system.
Yes.
And you can see it's working now.
Ah.
So how you know that how important it is, oxygen in terms of
if the electricity goes out, we still have this as backup, right?
Yeah, it can act as a backup. I will just turn off. So this is very very critical for the emergency component, or the backup one. And also our system comes with the smart technology. So we call it hybrid smart. So what you can do, I would like to show our customer here. So you can use our app and you can control it. So for example, you are away and you can still want to off so now you can see the inverter will be off.
So it's remote controlled.
Yeah, you can remote control, and you can also do a feature like the first AC and first DC. Why it is very important, because sometimes that okay, you are having enormous amount of DC. So you don't want to AC and you reduce the electricity bill. So you can decide according to that. If you want the AC first or if you want the DC first. Depending on the requirement, you can change it. And you can also check the performance here. You can also check the output for each things.
Oh.
Yeah, so you can completely monitor everything in one go. Okay?
Okay, so with that size, how many power banks could that fit in?
Actually, it is for 200 milliamp battery pack. So and depending on that, you can use it. And the total power is 1.5 kilowatt.
Okay.
Okay. Coming to our second product, this is our AUTOMAXX Power Walker. So with this, what happens whenever you are going for camping, you are always worried about carrying so many power banks and things like that.
Yes.
To get your power energy requirement. So with this system, it gets rid of everything, and you can see how light it is. It's just below 2 kilos.
Okay.
So it is ultra light, and you can get all the things. You can charge. You can have the AC here, so you can charge anything. For example, in here you can see the fan is running. Mm-hmm. So the fan is running with this system, and my phone is also getting charged from this. In the behind, you have the USB for the phones. Okay. You have LED lights, and you can have the indicator as well as the 12 socket. So you can have a good camping, and you can utilize it for different purposes. And it comes in both 110 and 220 watt. Depending on the region, we modify it. Okay. Then moving forward, we have another called environment sensor. So these sensors are used to detect the environment on the 4 parameters, such as temperature, humidity, light, and the thermal. So you can see here they are solar cells. Yes. So they are independent. And you can use this in long warehouse, and to understand the situation, what is the temperature going on, what are the other parameters, as well as they are connected over the internet, IoT. so you can connect many devices with them and make a complete IoT and smart homes. So now we will move to our another section that is for the healthcare industry. So this is our OTC hearing aid industry, and our brand name is Digibionic. And I would like to tell you that we are one of the biggest manufacturer of the hearing aid in South Asia, and we have 43 stores currently in Taiwan.
43?
43.
Especially like selling hearing aids.
Especially selling hearing aids, because nowadays hearing aid is growing, the market is growing so fast, but the people are not taking it enough seriousness. People have so many things like the social stigma, they don't prefer to use hearing aids. So we come up with the latest technologies such as the Bluetooth hearing aid. So you can use this hearing aid, and when you use this, no one can recognize that, okay, you are using a hearing aid.
This one looks like a really high-tech Bluetooth headphone.
So you can use our application and you can use our headset. Maybe if you want, you can try.
Sure.
So you can try it, take it out. You can plug and we can perform our hearing test, okay? So we are going to start. So whenever you hear a beep, you have to say yes.
Okay.
So if you hear, you can say
yes.
So
It's like a doo.
yes. What it does, it provides a range of frequency sound to your ear, so that if you can hear that, it can determine whether your hearing health is good or not.
All right.
So once you know what is your hearing health, then you can decide what kind of hearing aid you need for your health. Actually, there is a phenomena called banana phenomena. So like when the people get old, the reflexes in the ear get a little bit, they lose their elasticity. So because of that, they miss some of the sound. And those sounds come in the category of banana, A, I, O, U, the vowel. They mix between them. And once you finish this test, you will have a audiogram, especially for your hearing health.
Okay.
Our main aim is to provide a hearing aid to the people that they don't feel social stigma. They can free to use that. For example, if you use this kind of hearing aid, no one is going to say, oh, you are using a hearing aid. And you can use maybe I will say that maybe you can try yourself.
Yeah, sure.
You can feel the difference.
Oh. Wow.
And also it comes with a lot of customization offer. So using our app, maybe I can show you our app. So you can see here, you can perform tests using this device also. So you can either perform the tone test, and you can see if the environment is so noisy, you can see here.
Yes.
So when the environment is noisy, the test is not good. So
Okay.
this test
it is pretty loud here.
Yeah, so it is pretty loud, so it's not good here now. So, and also you can have the sound investment, so you have different modes. So you can adjust the volume for each ear, and you can also have noise reduction capability. Then you have sound balancing. So you have a lot of feature using our app. So you can customize it and make it the best for you.
Yeah, basically you can evaluate your hearings yourself.
Yes,
Right.
you can evaluate and you can find the best product for your according to your hearing health. And if needed, you can customize it depending on different modes. Like here it is very noisy. So you can select the lowest mode.
Oh,
When
okay.
you are outside, when you
Maybe on the bus, on the MRT,
Yes.
walking on the sidewalk.
Yes.
Alright.
So you can define according to your the environment, and you can select different modes.
Right.
And this is also our latest hearing aid.
Wow,
This
you
is-
can't even see it.
Yeah. They are especially designed with the Japanese technology, so to keep it small and compact. And the key feature of them is that...
Can you take it off?
Yeah, you can take it off.
Show them. It's really just tiny. Like you won't even notice it when it's in your ear.
And that's what they are called ITC. They are inside the canal. So once you put it inside, you will not see anything.
Okay.
And for them also we have an application separately, so you can also use them to customize according to your need.
Right.
So that's all what we have. And our main office is located in Xingbei, and where we do all business. But our stores are located across the Taiwan. So there are many stores, and you can visit any one of them for the service.
All right. Thank you for your introduction,
Thank you.
Ricky. All right.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoy the rest of the exhibition.
Thank you.